In this video, I will show you how to create a to-do checklist in Slack. So to get started, go ahead and open Slack, and then from Slack, go ahead and select a specific direct message or channel to where you want to create a to-do checklist. Click on the plus button at the bottom left of your screen. Now in here, go ahead and click on recent canvases to be able to create a canvas. So in here, go ahead and click on that create a list. Now name this list. So in here, you can go ahead and name this as you prefer. You can also incorporate a description for this list. Now, after that, you'll need to go ahead and click on that done button at the top right of your screen. And then you can go ahead and continue creating a checklist from here. So you can go ahead and create a title for the checklist. You can also select the assignee of the checklist along with the due date of the specific item on the checklist. So after you do that, you can go ahead and view the checklist that you have created. So for now, we'll create the titles for each of the checklists. And then you can go ahead and continue viewing the checklist. So once you're done creating the titles for the checklist along with the assignee and the due date for each checklist, you can go ahead and view this checklist as a whole. Then in here, you can go ahead and check the items on the checklist that you have accomplished. And that's basically how you can create a to-do checklist in Slack.